Today I am getting familiar with my topper lift. It's what I'm going to use to create a lift bed in my van. The purpose is it elevates a truck topper. So if you want to put something bigger in the back of your pickup and you have a topper on it, it elevates that topper so you can drive your ATV in or whatever else.
We put high quality electric actuators in the corner. Notice it's nice, smooth, goes up nice and smoothly.
So what I've done is I've got it hooked up to my battery and I've got all the parts laid out here. And moment of truth now, I'm going to plug them in and then we will turn it on. And I'm going to actually see, I want to see, one, how loud this is, and two, how far these lift, because I'm trying to place them in my van and I want to see what the actual height is when they're fully opened. So that's our plan, and that's what I'm going to do now is plug those in and fire it up. All right, let's plug these together. I've got all the actuators hooked together. Hopefully they're all right. Plug that in. That is our control switch. So in theory now, these should rise. Oh, they're quiet. That's a nice win. I wasn't sure. I had seen some on other people's videos and they were noisy. So these are wonderfully quiet. So I'm going to put them all the way out to their full extension. And then I'm going to disconnect some of them and or one of them and take it out into the van so I can do some sizing. There it is. That looks like that's it. Nice. Wow, this is great. All right, so I've got 18 3/4 when it's fully extended. That is awesome. A lot more than I thought. So I know this is going to sound a little goofy. This is not a hockey stick. What I did was I made a cardboard cutout of my actuators. That exercise that I just did was a really good exercise because now I know the full extension of each actuator. I know where the cords come out. I know how high the mounting bracket is. From here to here is when the actuator is actually down. From here to here is when it's in full extension. So what I'm doing now is I'm using this to try to figure out where to place my actuators throughout the van. They're going to need to be level, and they have to be in key positions so that they're supporting each corner of the bed. So it's been a little bit of an analysis, and I'm trying to figure out exactly where they'll go and what I'm going to mount them to as well.